See, I want to cook oha soup. I bought cocoyam. My cocoyam is here. So I want to use it to cook oha soup with bitter leaf because I do not have oha leaf. Don't come and be telling me that, this is not how to cook oha soup. You use oha leaf. Hold on. Tradition is tradition. When you don't have oha leaf, you use bitter leaf or pumpkin leaf. It's the same oha. Oha is oha. You cannot change it. Okay? Don't whine me. Let me wash my cocoyam. Okay? Anything oha is oha. Whether you use pumpkin leaf, you use bitter leaf, you use oha leaf, all of them is oha in this cocoyam. Okay, now I'm done washing it. Let me put it on fire. Put some water, feed up with water to boil the cocoyam. That is what we are going to be doing. Today is oha soup. Okay, let me wash my hands. Alright, now you can see I put it on my gas cooker. Okay. Let that boil. Oha is oha. Oha soup is oha soup. You cannot change it. You cannot change it. You cannot change it for me. Yeah. Now your whole you day. Now my whole a day. Not all the wine me because you not see oha leaf inside the soup. You can tell me say na bitter leaf soup. Me I not send you I not send your papa in this matter. Hey, not gonna disturb my life for me. Me I cook my food the way I want it. Gege. I cook it the way I want it. You cook yours the way you want it. In Nigeria, you fit see everything buy. But for this abroad, we not go see and buy. We dey use the one where we get. Important thing na soup we eat. Important thing na food we eat. Oha soup na the correct soup. Oha soup na so soup. When you use bitter leaf to cook the soup, or you use oha leaf to cook am, or you use ugu leaf to cook am. Important thing na oha soup. Important thing cocoyam dey inside. Not call the wine me for this my business. Not call the wine me for this my matter. If not, I go change am for you. Now so I see am. Now so I think am. Now so I do am like this. Gege. Oh yeah. Now so I do am. Now so I do am. Now so I do am. Now so see my belly. Since when I must take go gym, my belly don't dey come out. You see this belly. When time will come, I will go and take a tummy tuck and remove excess fat away from it. It not concern me. After I don't born all my children when I want born finish. Gege, I live on like this. I leave it like this my first day. But after I don't born all my children finish, the belly can grow anyhow I want to grow. It's none of my business. Important is say I dey wipe my palm. Don't nobody stop me for that. But after when be say I don't born all my children finish, then excess fat goes. They remedy. Oginiko, Oga Pino Kesi.